Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Inbox rules allow you to control how your incoming emails are handled by the Outlook web app. An inbox rule simply states that whenever an item arrives into your mailbox that meets a specified criteria, it should then be processed by whatever the rule dictates. You can have multiple rules applied to your inbox. The rules will be acted upon in sequence from top to bottom through the list of rules created. They can also be modified at a later date or deleted if they no longer apply. You can also turn them on and off without having to delete and recreate them. To create an inbox rule, click the Settings icon and click Options. Under Mail, Automatic Processing, click Inbox Rules. Alternatively, you can right-click a message in the inbox pane and choose Create Rule, or click the more dots in the reading pane and select Create Rule. Utilizing these options will open the new inbox rule page directly. To start a new rule from the Options menu, click plus under Inbox Rules to open the new inbox rule page. The first option is to name the rule. Enter the name of the rule in the field labeled Name. The next step is to create the first condition for an incoming email to trigger a specific action. This will set the condition for when the message arrives, and there are 8 options available in the drop-down list to select. You can add multiple conditions to an email by clicking the Add Condition button. Select a new condition to match in the drop-down list. So the options available for when the message arrives: it was sent or received from a specific person, to a specific person, or through a specific account. It includes these words, so you can set a specific phrase or group of words in the subject line, in the subject or body, in the sender's address, in the body of the message, in the recipient's address, or in the message header. You can select My Name Is to specify when your name is specifically in the To or CC box, the only recipient listed, in the To box, in the CC box, or not in the To box. It's marked with a specific importance or sensitivity. The incoming email is accompanied by an attachment of a specific type, specific classification, or is flagged with a specific flag. You can select when its size is within a specified range, or it's received in a specific date span, or you can set the rule to apply to all messages. After you've selected your rule, you can tell the program to do the following action: move, copy, or delete to a specific folder, delete the specific type of message, or make a copy of the folder, make a copy of the message to a specific folder. It's set to mark the message with a category as read or with a specific importance, or you can set the message to be forwarded, redirected, or sent. Redirect the message to a new recipient, forward the message as an attachment to a new recipient, or send a text message to a specific person about the message. Adding an exception to the rule will allow you to set the rule to follow unless a different set of criteria is matched. Say you have an email from your manager set to go to manager's folder, but if these specific words in the subject or body say staff meeting, it'll be placed in the inbox folder instead. The final option is to stop processing more rules. This means that if you have multiple rules and the email meets several of the criteria, none of the following rules will be processed after this rule. So this will stop and put the email into the specific area that this rule says and won't process any further rules. Click OK to save your rule after you've created it. Click Cancel to return to the page. You can edit existing rules by clicking the pencil icon, and we'll open up the rule, in this case the only one that's there, and you can change any of the criteria. You can delete a rule by clicking the trash can icon. Any selected rule will be deleted. Turning a rule on and off, you simply check or uncheck the checkbox next to the rule. If it's checked, unchecking it will turn it off, and as you can see, it's saving. The up and down arrows on the screen will allow you to move the rule up and down in the list, and again, the position in the list determines the order the rules are created in. When you've finished all your changes, turning on and off any rules, click Options to be returned to the main page of the Mail app.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.